fastest red engine on Sodor.
Oh.
James is a really splendid red engine who loves to go fast. Sometimes a little too fast.
Out of the way, Toby! Hello, Knapford! Here's James! Oh. Hey, Emily!
Hello, James.
Oh, mind your speed, James, and stop showing off.
Huh!
He's right, James. Stopping sharply like that is bad for your brakes.
I can't help being fast, Emily!
Don't forget that time your wooden brake blocks caught fire.
Huh? Yes, I remember all that. But I got rid of my wooden brake blocks, and I was painted red. So good things came out of that accident, and I don't have brake problems anymore.
You might have problems again if you carry on like this.
I have to brake sharply sometimes, Emily. I'm the fastest red engine on Sodor.
Fastest red engine on Sodor, are you? What about Rosie?
Huh! Rosie's not fast, and she's not red either. She's more of a movie lilac.
She's red now. I just saw her today.
Rosie is red? Red? Like me red? James red? Splendid red? Are you teasing me? Thomas? Cars? Why do I have to pull cars? I'm too splendid for cars.
Too splendid.
That's what you think.
You can't pull coaches all the time.
You troublesome trucks are lucky to be pulled by me.
James wasn't having a very good day. And then he saw...
Rosie?
Oh, dear.
What an awful noise.
Why do we have to be pulled by those squeaky wheels? Hello, James.
You really are red.
Yes, I've been repainted. What do you think?
I'll tell you what I think. I think you're trying to look like me.
No, I'm not.
Not so red now, squeaky wheels.
Squeaky wheels. Why are they calling you that?
No reason, just ignore them. Where are you off to then?
I'm taking my cars to Crovansgate.
I'm going to Crovansgate too. Want a race? Just to see which of us is the fastest red engine.
Okay, that sounds fun.
1, 2, 3, go!
James!
Come on!
James!
James! Oh, no! Sorry, Henry.
There's clearly something wrong with your brakes, James. You barely managed to stop. I don't think you should be racing.
Maybe we should drive.
Good idea.
Oh, you're just worried I'll win and prove I'm the fastest red engine on Sodor.
I don't care about that. You need to go to the steamworks and find out why your brakes aren't working properly. I'll deliver your cars while you're having your brakes checked.
Fine.
But when James stopped at the next signal, his brakes didn't make the horrid noise they had before.
Huh? It didn't make a noise that time. wasn't my brakes after all. It was the troublesome trucks pushing me like they always do.
James was so convinced that there was nothing wrong with his brakes, he didn't even bother having them checked.
Bye!
James did have a problem. He was leaking brake fluid. And without enough fluid, his brakes couldn't work well at all. But he hadn't heard that horrible noise since he gave Rosie his troublesome trucks. And soon, James forgot all about being careful. And then there was trouble.
Oh, no! I can't stop!
James!
Rosie! Help!
James! James! James!
Oh,
You okay, James?
I think so. How's my paint looking? I'm really in trouble now.
You can say that again, James. I've told you many times about showing off and rushing about. And now, you've ruined the shed.
But, sir, James has had problems with his brakes all day. He was trying to be careful. He even went to the steamworks to have them fixed. You did go to the steamworks, didn't you, James?
I did go, but I thought the problem had stopped, so I didn't wait to get fixed.
Oh, honestly, James, it would have been better to fix your brakes when you had a small problem before it turned into a much bigger one.
I'm sorry, sir. Sorry, Rosie. I should have known another red engine would give good advice.
At least you proved one thing today, James. For a while there. You really were the fastest red engine on Sodor.